Nocturnal adaptations in American marsupials. Understanding the unique characteristics of the nocturnal marsupials. This is the table of content for the material we're going to cover today. So for the introduction phase, first of all, I'm going to introduce the topic, explaining what nocturnal adaptations are and of the American marsupial species. The introduction is just basically explaining what the world of marsupials to Native Americans and the adaptations for nocturnal life. The mammalian order and significance. For biodiversity, the mammalian order marsupial represent a diverse group of mammals with unique evolutionary history, which make them subject to understanding biodiversity. Secondly, evolutional insights. Studying the nocturnal behaviors and adaptation helps us provide information into the evolutionary processes and how these special traits they developed over time came about. Lastly, ecological role. Nocturnal marsupials play a vital role in ecosystems, including seed dispersal, pest control, and nutrient cycling, which highlights the importance of understanding why they behave the way they behave. So, first of all, marsupials are a group of animals characterized by giving birth to relatively undeveloped young, which continue to develop in a pouch. So, they are distinguished by their unique reproductive anatomy, which is a specialized pouch for nurturing offspring, which you don't find in most other mammals. They are specialized in having the pouch for nurturing offspring. As for the classification with the mammalian order, marsupials belong to the infraclass Marsupialia with the class Mammalia. This distinct classification separates them from placental mammals, highlighting the evolutionary divergence and adaptation. So, for the geographic distribution and habitats of the American marsupials, they're mostly found in Central and Northern America, also Southern America too. They inhabit they inhabit diverse habitats ranging from tropical rainforest to arid grassland. So they could be found in the tropical regions of North America, South America, Central America, and they're mostly found in the wet regions, which also like plays a part in why they pick these ecosystems to live in for various environmental conditions. So this is the overview of the nocturnal behavior in American marsupials. American marsupials exhibit a wide range of nocturnal behaviors, including foraging, mating, and predator avoidance, primarily during the nighttime. So they are like night scavengers. Psychological or physiological adaptations for a nocturnal lifestyle. Enhanced sense. The nocturnal marsupials often possess acute sense of hearing, smell, and touch, which aid or help them in navigating their environment and detecting prey, so which keeps them safe in the high sense. The second adaptation that makes them the animals they are is specialized eyesight. So many marsupials have large eyes with enhanced low light vision, which helps them see in the dark and effectively help them hunt at night and in dimly lit conditions. So all these adaptations for the physiological adaptations all help them survive in the nighttime hours. So for the behavioral adaptations, they show two behavioral adaptations on the note, and the first one is foraging strategies, and the second one is social interactions. For the first one, the nocturnal marsupials often employ stealthy and opportunistic foraging techniques to locate food sources while minimizing exposure to predators. So they're very stealth hunters and they go about their business in very quiet and organized fashion. Social interactions. They exhibit complex social behaviors like communal nesting and cooperative hunts. So they go in packs to hunt for prey. Examples of nocturnal American marsupials are opossums and sugar gliders, which are found in North America and far as Australia. For the nocturnal ecology, the ecological role of the nocturnal American marsupials, they play a big role in defining the ecosystem functionality and biodiversity maintenance. They also serve as predator and prey, which influences the population dynamic and trophic interactions. Predator and prey dynamics and nocturnal foraging patterns. Northern American marsupials participate in intricate predator-prey relationships, with species as opossums preying on insects, small mammals, and fruits, while also serving as prey for larger predators like owls, foxes, and larger snakes. Their nocturnal foraging patterns often involve in exploiting nocturnal insects and small vertebrates using their specialized senses and behaviors to locate and capture prey efficiently. So they're very good hunters, but they also in turn to serve as prey to all larger predators. The last bit of the slide shows the importance of nocturnal adaptation in the predator avoidance and resource utilization. By them utilizing the cover of darkness, they can access resources with reduced competition from junior species. And their enhanced senses also help them in competing for resources in the nocturnal ecosystem. Reproductive strategies. Nocturnal reproductive behaviors and adaptations. American marsupials exhibit diverse reproductive strategies tailored to their nocturnal lifestyle, which include timing of mating, gestation period, and also most times, often care. Many nocturnal marsupials synchronize their reproductive cycles with seasonal variations in food and availability and environmental conditions. Pouch development and maternal care. Nocturnal hours. This I spoke about earlier with the early developments from the specialized pouches that they are adapted with. Then the next slide is my conclusion. Summary of the key points I brought out of this slide were nocturnal adaptations in American marsupials enable them to thrive in nighttime environments with specialized psychological, physiological, and behavioral traits with enhancing survival. And also nocturnal marsupials play a crucial role in ecology, ecological systems, prey and prey relationships, and nutrient cycling. Thank you.